If you're already familiar with creating an account and publishing events on Close Circle, this video focuses on advanced settings and pro-level tips for event creation. Let's go deeper. Start with content blocks. Blocks allow you to structure your event without locking yourself into a rigid script. Use what to expect to outline the flow of your session: introduction, main discussion, live feedback, Q&A, closing thoughts. Use who it's for to clearly define your intended audience. The more precise you are, the higher the quality of your participants. Multiple blocks help your event feel intentional and professionally designed. Next, choose the right category. Categories affect how your event is discovered on Close Circle. Choose the category based on the core value of the session, not your personal brand. If you're teaching, select education. If you're advising or consulting, choose business or career. If it's perspective-based or discussion-driven, choose society or culture. The right category attracts the right audience. Now let's move to interaction settings. This is where expectations are set. When you enable attendee microphone and camera, you're signaling that participants may be invited on stage. This does not mean everyone will speak. It means live interaction is part of the experience. Guaranteed microphone and camera time is a commitment. If you set 5 minutes, each attendee is guaranteed up to 5 minutes with their mic and camera on. This is not automatic. It's a promise you, as the host, are responsible for delivering. If you enable guaranteed time, plan your session duration accordingly. The total number of participants and the guaranteed minutes must realistically fit into your event time. Open mic lets viewers expect their microphone and camera to be on most of the session. You remain in full control and can mute participants at any time. This setting works best in smaller groups, where flow matters more than strict moderation. Always align your interaction settings with your event format. A structured lecture with open mic enabled can send mixed signals about how participants are expected to engage. You can enable Q&A if you want structure and order. Q&A keeps questions organized and helps you manage time effectively. Now let's talk about recording and privacy. You can block recording if the session is meant to stay exclusive. Active anti-recording measures are in place, and participants will not have access to any recording after the event. Regardless of the setting, you as the creator will always have access to the event recording for 14 days after the session. This allows you to review, reflect, or repurpose internally if needed. The 18+ filter is not for explicit content. It's designed for mature topics that are not suitable for minors, such as mental health, trauma, finance, or serious life discussions. The 18+ filter does not change platform rules. All sessions must still follow Close Circle content policies. For larger or high-energy sessions, adding moderators is strongly recommended. Moderators and co-hosts must have an active Close Circle account. They will receive an invitation by email after you publish the event. Moderators help manage chat, mute participants, and maintain flow. Co-hosts are ideal for interviews, panels, or shared sessions. Once your event is scheduled, you'll see your video invitation link. This is the single link participants use to enter the live session. You do not need to send a separate video link. The event link automatically directs attendees to the waiting room at the appropriate time. Participants can enter the waiting room shortly before the session begins. As the host, you decide when to open the live room, but it can never open earlier than 20 minutes before the scheduled start time. You remain in control of when the session begins. Finally, a few tips to attract more of your community to your events. Announce your event early, even before publishing it. Explain clearly why this session is different from your regular content. Limit seats to create urgency and exclusivity. Remind your audience that sessions are live and not publicly recorded. And share the link more than once. Most people need reminders. You're no longer just hosting events, you're operating at a professional level. Great creators don't rely on spontaneity alone. They design structure, set expectations, and deliver consistently. Do that, and your events won't just fill seats, they'll build reputation.